The iPhone 17 Ultra comes with plenty of upgrades in hardware and software, so hit subscribe now and we'll get right into it. So first up, we've got the only bit of bad news, and the new anti-reflective coating that was reportedly coming to the iPhone 17 Pro models to reduce reflections and glare, as well as scratching, is now not going to be happening. According to new reports, there have been manufacturing issues and applying the coating was taking much longer than expected, making the total time to make the handset that little bit too long, so it had to be pulled. Now, something else that may need to be pulled is your old online posts, and this is now made incredibly easy thanks to today's video sponsor, Whitebridge AI, an advanced AI-driven research platform that can help you or even your business analyze your own online reputation, verify identities, and uncover insights from public data. It leverages data from 30+ trusted providers, pulling real-time information and analyzing presence across social media, public records, and even lesser-known data points, and it's going to scan for any mentions online, both positive and negative, so if there's something out there that's impacting your reputation, you'll know about it first. I totally forgot, but it reminds me of all of the posts I published a long time ago, as you can see here. We've also got plenty of positive, as you can see from the report here. And of course, as a content creator, my online presence is important to me, and it doesn't matter whether you're a YouTuber, a business owner, or an employee looking for new work, knowing what's out there about you online is crucial. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below, and you can check out everything about yourself online using Whitebridge AI. Plus, using my code TTTechnology is going to give you a 25% discount on your next purchase, so go ahead and check it out now. Now back to the iPhone 17 Ultra, and next up we've got more confirmation that despite earlier reports of supply issues, we will be seeing an upgrade to 12GB of RAM, and this is going to further aid all of the AI functions being performed on the device. Now, we're also going to be seeing plenty of optimization in the new software, along with epic performance from the new A19 Pro chipset, and despite early rumors, it's going to be a 3nm chipset manufactured on TSMC's N3P node. Now, another upgrade coming is a new vapor chamber cooling system that's going to greatly aid the performance of the A19 Pro, and adding a vapor chamber is going to really help with the thermals, and it's going to allow the A19 Pro to perform better for longer, and this is going to be great news for mobile gamers as well as productivity users. Now, next up, we've got great news for all iPhone 17 models, and previously we had news that the Pro models were getting an upgrade to a 24-megapixel selfie camera, but according to analyst Jeff Poo, it's actually going to be an upgrade to all 4 models of the iPhone. This is of course going to significantly improve the selfie quality for both photo and video, so it's great to see that it's coming to all models. Now, next up, we've got the reveal of the iPhone 17 from a huge amount of different sources, and we've had many different videos of dummy models posted by people like Majin Buu on X, and then I've also created these 3D renders, as well as the ones in a hand to give you guys a good look at what we can expect from the iPhone 17 Ultra. Now, these design leaks generally come from case manufacturers who get the CAD a little bit early. With so many sources agreeing that this is the design, we can be pretty sure that this is exactly what the iPhone 17 Ultra is going to look like, so let me know in the comments what you think of it. Now, one thing that could see some significant changes this time around is going to be the price, thanks to the ongoing tariff war between USA and China. But to be honest, there's no point speculating at this stage, as it's a volatile situation at the moment, and with the iPhone launch set for September this year, a lot can change between now and then, so we'll worry about it closer to the time. But for those of you excited for the iPhone 17 lineup, we're now going to run through the full specs, design, and the expected pricing of each model in the range to help you guys decide which one is right for you. So hit subscribe now and we'll get right into it. So first up, we've got the standard iPhone 17. With the standard iPhone 17, we get a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, which for the first time ever is going to be a 120Hz LTPO display. It's coming with a resolution of 1179 by 2556 and protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. We also get a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. We get the new and improved Face ID sensor, which may allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island. And then the selfie camera gets an upgrade to a new 24-megapixel selfie camera. And then over on the rear, it's going to be another dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. It's powered by the A19 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, and it's powered up by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45W fast charging, and it's going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC.
It will of course ship with iOS 19 and is expected to launch from around $850 in mid-September 2025. Next up, we have the iPhone 17 Air, and this is going to be replacing the Plus model. With the iPhone 17 Air, we get a 6.6-inch Super Retina LTPO OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1290 by 2796 with a peak brightness of 3000 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate, and it's going to be protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. The phone is an impressive 5mm thick, making it Apple's thinnest iPhone yet, and it comes with a 24-megapixel selfie camera on the front inside the dynamic island, and then over on the rear it's just a single 48-megapixel camera. It's powered up by the A19 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, and it's going to be powered up by a 4700 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45W fast charging, and it's again going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now it will of course ship with iOS 19 and it's expected to launch from around $950 in mid-September. Now next up we've got the iPhone 17 Pro, and this comes with a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1206 by 2622. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it's coming with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera is upgraded to a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, a 48-megapixel periscope, and of course a LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the 2nm A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. It's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgraded 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. It will of course ship with iOS 19 and is expected to launch from around $1050, and again is coming in mid-September. Now finally, we save the best till last, the iPhone 17 Ultra. With the iPhone 17 Ultra, we get a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's got a resolution of 1320 by 2868. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it also comes with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera in the punch hole is going to be a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 48-megapixel periscope camera, and the LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the new 2nm A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It's going to be powered up by a 4700 mAh battery with an upgrade to 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now of course it's shipping with iOS 19 and is expected to launch from around $1250 in mid-September. So overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is looking like an exciting release from Apple in terms of the chip improvements and the brand new design for the first time in years. There's no doubt going to be a lot of focus being poured into Apple Intelligence over the next year as well, with Apple trying to capitalize on the power of their chipsets, and then the upgraded RAM to go with it should offer a lot more versatility as well. But of course, given its similarities with the predecessor, I don't think anyone with a 16 is going to be rushing for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older iPhone or maybe looking to try out their first iPhone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now of course, there's still quite a way away until the official launch, and no doubt more and more leaks are going to come in as we approach it, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they come in, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.